Welcome to this unboxing of Nvidia GeForce GTX 1060. Let's slide open the box, since I already opened it. It opens smoothly. Whoa, it's still sealed. There is the manuals. Fancy packaging. There is the case badge. Bigger and more expensive than the EVGA badge. Cool patterning. Boring support guide, boring words. I think people would know what their system requires if they were going to buy this enthusiast-style card. Time for me to touch that card. Okay then, that is a really tight fit in the foam. Magic! Wow, that cast aluminum case is heavy. Chrome text, fancy heatsink with folded fins, awesome black and silver, and an iconic blower-style fan that doesn't cool the car down well. No backplate. Cool referenced PCB logo. Yay for Nvidia! Time to open it and smell that fresh factory sealed card. Frustration-free packaging. Easy to open bag. Looks better without the bag. I like the fan. When this lights up, this will look good in my computer. Partial backplate, for short PCB. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the GeForce GTX 1060. Please subscribe and like this video.